How's it going? I just set it to make a random video. Big news, Saturday night, I saw Never Shut Never in concert. It was the best thing ever. It was life-changing, because, like, Christofer Drew is awesome. Like, amazing. Awesome. Get what I'm saying? So, it was Halloween weekend. I saw my best friend. I went trick-or-treating in Manor. Oh, we had early release today. It was really fun. Because we just, like, tested all day. And then we ate lunch. And then we left. Went home. And then I had hot chocolate. Because it's cold outside. It's very cold outside. As you can tell, I'm still wearing my jacket. Look, I colored my hair. It looks cool. It looks cool. It looks cute. It looks cool. Everyone says they like my hair. But I don't know. So, anything new with you guys? Anything new with you guys? Dude. Guess what? That's what. And that's what. And that's what. And that's what. And now back to normal. Oh, I got hair in my eye. Hey. You know what movie I really, really want to see? Resident Evil 4. Now I'm here, and now I'm here, and here. Now I'm back here. You guys checking out? It's crazy. That was amazing. That's what she said. Now I have a mustache. Now I have a better mustache. This mustache rocks. It's kind of crooked. No more mustache. Yep. So you guys, how my dog is licking my foot. Chloe. Hi. Say hi. You're cute puppy. Who's your cute puppy? You're not supposed to be on the couch. Get down. Yeah. I don't know where my little. Look, I painted my butt. Yes. Now. Hello. I'm upside down. There's my foot. And there's my other foot. What are you doing? My grandma gave this to me because she went to Disney World. Yeah, this from a UT volleyball game, the Hook 'em Horns. If you are not a Longhorn fan, then you shouldn't be watching this video. And then my friend Angelica gave this to me. It says Secret Ninja. I am a Secret Ninja. I made this one at my friend Casey's house. Made this one at my friend Ethan's house. And found these in my jewelry box. Found this in my jewelry box. Made this at my friend Angelica's house. Jewelry box. Made this at Casey's. My friend Sydney gave this one to me. And I made these two. I got this one. I got this one from a concert a long time ago. I got this one at Hot Topic. The devil wears Prada. This one from Zoomies with Casey. Everyone has the Higher Baby's bracelet. You know what I think is ridiculous is when teachers are like, those shouldn't be worn in school. Well, you shouldn't be worn in school. My friend Casey made this for me. I made this at my friend Mackenzie's house. The string glows in the dark. I don't know where I got this one. Oh, yeah, I took it from Mackenzie. Don't tell her I told you. Jewelry box. Jewelry box. Made this at Mackenzie's. Jewelry box. Jewelry box. Jewelry box. And Ecian made this for me. Isn't it awesome? Isn't it awesome? I used to have a rainbow one, but it broke because I put it on the floor while I was playing volleyball and I stepped on it. Casey made this for me when she was in New York. I made this one. Made this one. And I got this one at the Never Shut Never concert. Oh, there's my dog. There's my other dog. Chester! Hi, Chester! Isn't he just so adorable? Look at him. He went to the groomer yesterday, so he's really fluffy. He's a cute puppy. He's a cute puppy. I love my doggies. Hey, now get down. You're not supposed to be on the couch either. Check. Oh, hey. This was me on Halloween. I was a zombie volleyball player. Yes, Aaron, you are awesome. And wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, and boom goes the dynamite. See this picture? That was a Christofer drew. Okay. See that belt that he's wearing? That's Casey's belt. He put my necklace on that wrist. It was awesome. Me and Casey were going crazy. Aaron and Casey love you, and then we threw it on stage. Ooh, I can tell the future. Well, goodbye.